This week, the reading skill we're focusing on is finding similarities and differences between stories. We're going to be doing this with different characters, the settings, the plots, and the theme across the different stories. So here are a few activities that we're going to use to teach that skill without using curriculum. So the first thing we're going to do is call story sort cards. We picked two different series. Well, my daughter picked a TV series that she chose. She used Smurfs and the Croods. So what I did is I just took some index cards and I wrote the different themes on there. I have the different characters. I have different events. I have different plots. And what we're going to do is I'm going to create three categories. Same in both stories, one for the Croods and then one for the Smurfs. You can stick this anywhere. You can stick it on the table. You can stick it on the chalkboard. You can put it on the floor, wherever you want. And then she's going to put them in the three categories that it goes in. This is something that we're going to do together. And you can do this with anything. You can use two books. You can use two movies. You can use conversations. You can use anything you want. The other thing we're going to do is a Venn diagram walk. So we have some chalk. And we're going to go outside. I'm going to put the two big Venn diagrams on the ground. And we are comparing and contrasting all of the same things, the settings, the plots, the themes, in two books. So we're reading the Vanderbeeker series. So we're going to use the Vanderbeeker series. And she also read a graphic novel, Dogman. So we're going to use those two things to compare. Now, if you don't want to go outside, y'all, it's okay. If it's raining outside or we don't feel like going outside that day, you can just do it in a notebook. We put it in the notebook, or you can put it on anchor chart paper or chalkboard, whatever it is that you want to use. It does not have to be an outside game. I don't know about you, but my daughter likes the outside of the box type like activities and stuff like that. So I try to make it more entertaining and more exciting for her. Another activity we're going to do is family compare game. So I put it on our chalkboard. Same in both stories. We're going to be comparing a trip to the beach and a trip to the mall. So we're using our experiences to teach this particular skill. If you do not have a chalkboard, it's okay. I got this one from Hobby Lobby, and I want to say it was like $15. But we also use craft paper. Under $15. You can get this from Amazon. You can get it from Home Depot. You can get it from Walmart. And this usually lasts me like over a year. So this is something else that you can use when you're doing those activities if you don't want to just do the notebook. Another activity we're going to do is our writing. So our writing connects to whatever we are doing for reading. I create her writing prompts. Now, when I created this writing, I created it on the level that she is with her writing. If your child is not on that level, it's okay. I'm going to do another planning session to show you how I create my writing prompts. But I show you how to create it for every skill and how to adapt it to the level in which your child is currently reading or writing on. So that's what we're doing for the week. No curriculum. It's built around what we're doing every day. It's built around our experiences, the books that we're already reading. And that's how we're going to be teaching our skills this week. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a question in the chat. I'm going to turn off the recording so we can have a discussion for anybody that I know everybody don't like to share when we're actually recording. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And everybody else, thank you for tuning in. And I'll see you guys at the next planning session.